Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. You are now watching video 3 of 3 of my nighttime bake with my new Turpone Forza pizza oven. So if you want to see video 1 and 2, I'll put a link to those down underneath this video in the description box. So this pizza as well, I did around 800 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're starting off with a 280 gram dough ball and the hydration is 70%. Pressing the little button starts the turntable and the baking commences. So I'm going to let this go in real time so you can see what's happening. And I can tell you one thing, having that turntable, it is amazing. It just takes away all the stress. And you can be sure if you're having a party, you're going to have everybody coming over and taking a little peek at the pizza as it bakes because it is just really fun. And at 1 minute in, you can see the pizza crust has really started to puff up. We're starting to get some nice browning on it as well. So I'm still brand new to this pizza oven, so I've been playing around with the controls. I find that using the low setting for most of the time really helps me out. If you need an extra little boost, you can just crank it quickly by turning that little knob and you'll get amazing amount of heat coming out of that oven. And you can see how quickly this pizza bakes. And there we go. Taking it out. That's my son helping me and we're getting it onto the tray to take it inside. I would say that is a perfect pizza. The bottom was absolutely amazing as well. There you can see the inside of the crust and I got a really good puff on that crust. So this was my first time using this pizza oven at night. We did 3 pizzas and all of them turned out amazingly well. If you want more information about this pizza oven, I'll put all of the links down underneath the video in the description box. And just click any of the links and it'll either take you over to their website or their socials. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at Bake Like a Pro. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.